Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to enhance your email communications through NetSuite, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll dive into the world of email template modification in NetSuite, uncovering its advantages and usage. So, let's get started. Introduction to email templates. In NetSuite, email templates are crucial for maintaining consistency and professionalism in your communications. In NetSuite, these templates can be customized to reflect your branding, convey messages clearly, and improve customer engagement. Let's discuss the advantages of modifying email templates in NetSuite. Brand consistency. Custom email templates ensure that every message aligns with your brand's identity. Personalization. Tailoring emails to specific recipients improves interaction and conversion rates. Professional appearance. Professionally designed emails enhance your company's image and credibility. Automation. Customized templates can be integrated into automated workflows, ensuring timely communication. In this video, we're covering a simple customization in NetSuite that automatically includes a subsidiary's CC email when sending sales orders. This ensures that the right contacts are always copied, streamlining your communication process. To get started, click on Edit in any sales order. We usually go to the Communication subtab, select the To be emailed checkbox, and then Save. After saving, we can check the Communication subtab to see that the recipient's email is listed under Primary Recipient. To see where emails have been sent, navigate to Setup, Company, Sent Email List. Here, we can review any sent email and see that it was originally sent to the intended recipient, for example, testigmail.com. Go to the Subsidiary tab to view the CC email. To enhance this process, in Communication subtab, we can view To be emailed. I created a custom checkbox called Send Email on a custom subtab. This replaces the standard To be email checkbox. This script checks the subsidiary record for a CC email address when the system is sending out an email. If a CC email is found, it includes that address as a CC recipient when sending the sales orders. If no CC email is found, the email is sent as usual. In the subsidiary window, chosen the parent company subsidiary for the sales order, and the script will verify the CC email in this record and send the email accordingly. To create and deploy a script for the sales order in NetSuite, start by navigating to Customization. Scripting. New. In the Upload Script File window, click the plus icon to upload your script file from the system. Give it a recognizable name, then save it, and then click Create Script Record. In the Script window, provide a name and ID, then save it. The script deployment page will appear, where you'll select Sales Order as the Applies To and choose Administrator in the Execute As role field. Under the Audience subtab, check the boxes for roles, employees, and partners, provide an ID name, and save the deployment. Once saved, you can view the deployment details in the Script Deployment window. In the Sales Order window, click on Edit, scroll down to the Communication subtab, select the To be emailed checkbox, and then save the order. After saving, we'll see a confirmation on the Sales Order window page. Now go to the Communication subtab to view the updates. Now navigate to Setup, Company, Sent Email List. Next, navigate to the Sales Order Sent Email List, where the newly sent email will appear at the top. Click on the internal ID of the email to check the details, and in the Sent Email window, you'll see that the email was sent to testigmail.com and CC to testccogmail.com, as specified in the subsidiary record. Yes, we have successfully set up the customization to automatically include the subsidiary's CC email when sending sales orders. We hope this video has been informative and inspires you to utilize email templates effectively. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. See you in the next video. Until then, happy managing